Hello again.
Can you burp again?
Do you want to build a snowman?
I wish I could smell it.
Are you just burping?
Yeah.
You sound like my Uncle Ray.
So far I've gotten a lot of people to laugh and a few people to be disgusted.
You literally sound like my uncle.
I love that my burps are nice and bassy, because my voice sure isn't. How you doing tonight?
Do you want to build a snowman?
Hey, what's up, man?
Not much.
Good stuff.
That was at least 10 seconds, bro. You ain't gonna get that checked up for real. Hey, what you eating, bro? What you
How you doing tonight?
I'm doing alright. How about you?
Doing pretty good.
You smoke cannabis?
Once in a while.
Once in a while.
Not as often as I'd like, but once in a while.
Yeah, I know you did, bro. You see, I can just read you, like, for real, bro. And you valid for that. You valid. So what you doing on Omegle? Well, what's up, my guy? Back around. Yo, I can't, bro. You're the best, man. You're the best. The best guy ever. Give me some, man. Give me some. Yes, sir. Alright, I'm gonna find you again. I'll see you in a couple minutes.